Concealer, bronzer, contour, blush. As a rule of thumb, you always want to start with your concealer. This helps to brighten up your face. You also want to put some on the outer edge of your eyes and pull it up so that it gives your face that facelift effect. And then next we're going to do contour. Contour is supposed to bring back shadows to your face to give your face that chiseled look. Apply some on the back of your hand and then take an angled brush like this one. Saturate the brush with the product. Place the contour on your cheekbone. That's where you want to place the contour. And you also want to do the same on your forehead and on your jawline. And blend. We are going to blend at every step. For blending, you're just tapping. You do not have to use contour and bronzer at the same time, but in case you want that shadow and you want that warmth, it's okay. So the next thing we're going to do is bronzer. Saturate that. Where your contour line ends, that is where you want to go over and add the bronzer. So you have shadow from the contour, which is making your face look chiseled, and then now you have the warmth from your bronzer. So for blush you want it to be directly on top of your cheekbone, like where your cheekbone is. That is where you want your blush to go. So the idea is you want all this product to blend into each other. Concealer blends into the blush, and then the blush blends into the bronzer, and then the bronzer blends into the contour. I'm going to use my foundation brush without adding any fresh product. I'm just going to go around where the contour ends to take away any harsh lines, and I can also go over all the three products to take away the harshness. You can tell this side it's still very loud, this side it's a bit more muted, and that's what you want. At this point you can go on and add more of that product if you want, like if you want to add more blush, if you want to add more bronzer, but I don't think it's necessary because we are still going to set with powders, which is going to help bring back the colors that we have lost during the blending process. That is how you use your concealer, your blush, your bronzer, and your contour to give you dimension or shadow, to give you warmth, and to give you some color and to bring back light to your face. I hope you've learned something. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.